Now I'm gonna show you a savory use for some applesauce. I'm gonna show you how to make some barbecue sauce, your own homemade barbecue sauce. So, right here I have some applesauce. Now all this is an apple and some water. That's all I use. I use the Fuji apple like I did with the unsweetened applesauce, but with all the cinnamon and everything. But all I did was cut it up, put a little bit of water in there, and then cooked it until it was soft. I'd say about a quarter cup of water. And then just cooked it till it was soft and then mashed it up. Okay, you don't want any of those spices for this savory dish. Okay, so that's about half a cup of applesauce. So to that, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Okay, there we go. There's 1, 2, 3. Okay, to that, I'm going to add a teaspoon of garlic powder. Okay, teaspoons out. Then get it apart. There we go. Teaspoon of garlic powder. And then half a teaspoon of onion powder. My onion powder. Ooh, there we go. There we go. Half a teaspoon. In that goes. And then we need 1/3 of a cup of ketchup. Goes, ta-da, just like that. And then I'll just use a spatula to get it out. All right, now we need a teaspoon of soy sauce. Kind of rounds out the flavors. Teaspoon soy sauce, and that goes. I need some pepper, just to taste. So, much or as little as you like. I like things to be a little bit spicier, so I add a little bit more pepper than most people probably would. All right, and now half a teaspoon of hot sauce. You can leave it out completely if you'd like. If you don't, or you can just add less than me. You can add more than me. It's completely up to you. Your barbecue sauce. Okay, that's all. So just gonna give it a mix. Now it's not as dark as barbecue sauce that you would buy in the store because we're not putting molasses in it. And we don't want to because molasses is sugar. So we're trying to keep it to natural sugars only. So it's not gonna have the same color, but it'll have a tasty flavor. And really that's all that matters as far as I'm concerned. Anyway, we're gonna put it on the stove. Here we go. On the stove. So we're gonna heat it up on about medium-high heat. And basically, you're just heating it through. You're not really, it's not like you're not trying to really cook it or anything. It's just to heat it through so that all the flavors can meld together and become one sauce rather than, individual ingredients. All right, so the sauce has been simmering for about 10 minutes, so it's done. It's good to go. Just wanted to give it a chance for it to meld and come together. So now let's come over here and I'm going to show you how you can serve it. Obviously it's barbecue sauce, so you can have it with anything. I have some chicken here though, so I'm just gonna spoon a little over my chicken. And then the rest I'm just gonna put in this bottle here that I have, a funnel. Be a little slow going through, but you can just help it along by tapping it. Anyway, in the meantime, let's try this sauce with this chicken. There we go. Yum yum. That's even better than the commercial kind because it has that appley flavor to it, which is a really nice addition to barbecue sauce. So try this yourself, you guys. It's really quite good, and it's definitely healthier for you than the commercial kind with all the preservatives and sugar added.